Hello friends, welcome to Creative Minds YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to solve few problems related to arithmetic progression. Let's see the problem. The ratio of sum of the m and n term of an AP is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of mth and nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. They given that the sum of m and nth ratio in AP is m square is to n square. We have to show that a mth is to a nth is equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. By the data, Sm is equal to m square, right? So Sn is equal to n square. So ratio is Sm by Sn is equal to m square by n square. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The formula explained in previous videos. So Sm is equal to m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. Similarly, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to m square by n square. M cancel, n cancel, and 2 also cancel. Remaining thing is 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to m by n. On cross multiplication, we get 2an plus m 2an plus m minus 1 into n into dn is equal to 2am plus n minus 1 into d into m. Here 2a is common, so take 2a outside, then we get n minus m, and take d is equal to d is common, then take a d outside, then we get m into n minus 1 minus n into m minus 1. So that is equal to d into m into n, mn, m into minus 1 minus m, n into m, mn, minus 1 into 1, minus n into 1 is plus n. So minus mn plus mn cancel. Then remaining thing is d into n minus m. Here also 2a is equal to m minus m. N minus m, n minus n cancel. 2a is equal to d. We get 2a is equal to d. We know that formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So am is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of d, we have to put 2a. So a plus m minus 1 into 2a divided by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. That is equal to a is common here, then 1 plus 2m minus 2 divided by a also common here, 1 plus 2n minus 2. Then a cancel, then am by an is equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. So they given the ratio of m is to n is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus n. Hence, we proved the given data. Now, move on to next problem. If the sum of nth term of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its mth term is 164, find the value of m. They given that sum of nth term is 3n square plus 5n. So sum of nth term Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. So first we have to find S1. So S1 is equal to, in the place of n, put n is equal to 1. Then 3 into 1 square is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then similarly find S2. S2 is equal to, put in the place of n 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, plus 5 2s are 10, that is equal to 22. So S3 is equal to 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5 into 3, 15, that is equal to 42. So they are also given that uh, so S1 is equal to A, right? So A value is A1 is equal to 8 first term, and S2 is equal to A1 plus A2. So A1 plus A2 is equal to 22. A2 is equal to 22 minus A1, that is equal to 8, that is equal to 14. A2 is 14. We get A1 and we get A2. So we easily calculate D value. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So that is equal to 14 minus 8. D is equal to 6. Now we know that formula Sm is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First we have to find mth, right? So no need to write this formula. Am is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A means first term, n means number of terms, and d is common difference. They given the mth term, that is equal to 164, that is equal to a value is 8, and m minus 1 into 6, d value is 6. 164 is equal to 8 plus 6 into m, 6m minus 1 into 6, 6. So 164 is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2. 164 minus 2 is equal to 6m. M is equal to 162 by 6, that is equal to 27. So value of m is 27. Mth term is mth term, and that means 27th term is 160. Now come to arithmetic mean, also called as AM. If three numbers A, B are in AP, then A is called arithmetic mean of A and B. If three numbers A, capital A, and B are three numbers which are in AP, then A is called arithmetic mean of A and B. By definition, we write as A minus A is equal to AB minus A. A is arithmetic of mean of A and B. So A plus A, 2A is equal to A by A plus B. So A is equal to AB by A plus B by 2. One note is there, if A1, A2, A3, A up to AN, comma B are in AP, then A1, A2, A3, so on up to AN are called nth arithmetic mean of A and B. If suppose there are n numbers between A and B, then all n numbers are called AM of A and B, arithmetic mean of A and B. These are all about definition and one note. Now move on to problems. Insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that resulting sequence in AP. We have to find 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that resulting sequence in AP. So they given A and B. We have to find A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Let A1, A2, A3, A4, A6 be 6 AM between 3 and 4. So we write like this: 3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, comma 24 are in AP. They given that A is equal to 3, AN is equal to B, because this is the last number, right? B is the last number, that is equal to 24. So AN is equal to 24. First we have to find D value. We have the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 24 is equal to 3 plus 7. There are 7 numbers here. 6, 7 numbers. So N is 7, right? So N is 8. So N minus 1 is 7. 7 into D. So 21 is equal to 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. 21 is equal to 7D. So value of D is 3. So we know the value of A and we find the value of D. So easily we calculate A1, A2, A3, up to A6. So A1 is equal to A plus D, that is equal to 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. A2 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 3 plus 2D, 6, that is equal to 9. A3 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to 3 plus 9, that is equal to 12. And A4 is equal to A plus 4D, equal to 3 plus 12, that is equal to 15. A5 is equal to A plus 5D, that is equal to 3 into 5 into 3, 15, that is equal to 18. And A6 is equal to A plus 6D. So 3 plus 18D, that is equal to 21. So AN is equal to 24. So hence the required series is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Why A1 is equal to A plus D? Because, so which is in AP, right? 3, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 which are in AP. So A plus D, A plus some common difference is equal to next term. A plus next to 2 into common difference is equal to next term. So we'll write like this: A1 is equal to A plus D, A2 is equal to A plus 2D, so on up to A6 is equal to A plus 6D. Now move on to next problem, which is similar to above problem. You can try this. Now I will move on to next problem. If the sum of three numbers in AP 24 and their product is 440, find the terms. They given that sum of three terms in AP is 24 and their product is 440. Find the terms. So let A minus D, A plus D are three terms in AP. So we have to consider A minus D plus comma A plus D is are in AP. So they given that the sum of three numbers is 24, that is equal to A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 24. So D cancel, we get 3A. So 3A is equal to 24, A is equal to 8. So now the product is given A into A minus D into A plus D is equal to 440. A is we already find A is equal to 8. 8 minus D into A plus D is equal to 440. 440 by 8 is equal to 55. So which is in A minus D and into A plus D, which is in form of A 8 minus D into 8 plus D, which is in the form of A minus D into A plus D. So the A square minus B square formula. So we write like this: A square minus B square, that is 8 square minus D square, that is equal to 55. So 8 square is 64. D square is equal to 9, 64. minus 64 minus d square is equal to 9. D square is equal to 9. So d is equal to plus or minus 3. When d is equal to plus 3, we have to find a minus d, a plus d, right? So d is equal to plus 3, we get a minus d. A minus d means a is 8, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. A is 8, a plus d is 11. So when d is equal to minus 3, a minus d is equal to 8 minus 3 minus 3, that is equal to 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11. A is 8 only. Next, a plus d is equal to 8 plus minus 3, that is equal to 5. So the number are 5, 8 and 11. The three numbers are 5, 8 and 11. Next geometric progression I will explain in next video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Creative Minds and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.